Imagine a world where every second of production time saved contributes to an estimated $100 billion in annual savings. That's the potential of Industrial Revolution 4.0. This isn't a distant dream. It's happening right now, reshaping industries and economies with the precision of a master sculptor. For centuries, traditional manufacturing has been the backbone of economies worldwide. Picture a factory, workers at assembly lines, the clatter of machinery, raw materials transformed into products. It's a system that served us well, but it's not without its flaws. Wastage, inefficiency, and human error are perennial issues. The solution? Enter the era of smart manufacturing. Smart manufacturing is to traditional manufacturing what the smartphone is to the rotary dial telephone. It's a game changer, a revolution powered by the convergence of digital technology and industry. It's about connecting machines, systems, and humans in a seamless, intelligent network. This is the heart of Industrial Revolution 4.0. At the core of this revolution is the Internet of Things, or IoT. It's about devices talking to each other, exchanging data, making decisions. Imagine a factory where machines detect a fault in the production line and correct it without human intervention. That's the power of IoT. Then there's artificial intelligence, or AI. It's not just about robots replacing human workers. It's about machines learning from experience, improving over time, becoming more efficient. It's about predictive maintenance, where AI can predict equipment failures before they happen, reducing downtime and saving money. And let's not forget about smart automation. It's about machines that can adapt to different tasks, increasing productivity and reducing waste. It's about customizing products to individual consumer preferences on a mass scale. But with great power comes great responsibility. The digital divide threatens to leave behind those who can't keep up. And that's why upskilling is crucial. It's about preparing for the future, about learning new skills to stay relevant in the age of smart manufacturing. Embrace the change, for it's not just inevitable, it's already here. Upskill, adapt, and prepare for the future belongs to those who are ready to ride the wave of this revolution. In the grand scheme of things, Industrial Revolution 4.0 is not just about improving efficiency or saving money. It's about creating a more interconnected and intelligent world. It's about shaping the future of industries, economies, and societies. So, are you ready for the future?